Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you what I look out for in my trading. All right, so today I'm going to be explaining to you how I trade, what are the things I'm looking for, and basically how do I start a trading month or a trading week. All right, so I remain your boy KOSB Finance Lake Coyote, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, click the bell button so that whenever I upload videos like this you get notified. All right, and you could also be a part of the Telegram group. All you need to do is check the description below. You want to take the free course that I've prepared for you, where you could also access free indicators that will help you in your trading. This is the link, and you can also access it in the description below. All right, let's just jump right into our chart. All right, now the first thing you want to do is you need to understand what the market is all about. Trading itself is about rising and falling of the market. All right, so you need to understand what causes it to fall and what causes it to rise. Now quickly, how do I actually look at the market? Let's take, for instance, this is the chart. As for me, I only trade basically two types of markets. All right, I trade on the forex market. I only trade the GBP USD, and in the volatility index market, I only trade the VIX 50. All right, so that's why I'm actually showing you the VIX 50 here. So trust me, anything I show you here is just my stuff. It's nothing that I just see over the internet and just came to drop for you guys. It's basically how I look at the markets and how I trade. Okay, quickly now, let me just make you understand that this strategy I'm about to show you is a strategy that is going to earn you nothing less than 95% on every trade. All right, if you can be focused, if you can understand how the market really works, trust me, if you can follow this strategy to the letter, you are going to make a lot of money. In fact, you'll be flipping accounts to accounts as much as you like, because I'm going to be simplifying this for you. So now the first thing I do, for the month, when the month just starts, like right now we're in the month of February just started, what I'm going to do is I'll just go to the month, I'll just go to the daily time frame, then I'm just gonna remove all this, Control G, Control G, and let me remove some other things that I have on my chart. Okay, properties, we have our properties. Okay, trade history removed, volume, tick volume removed. All right, quick, that's good. So let me reduce the size. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to add my period separator. I think that should be Control Y. All right, the period separator, you can see period separators, click OK. All right, the reason why I'm adding the period separator is because it's going to demarcate the chart. On the daily chart, it demarcates the chart to months. This section is a month, this section is a month, this section is a month. Now on the 4-hour, this section is a week, this section is a week, this section is another week. Now, so what I do is, if I want to know what will be happening in the market for that month, I actually do my analysis on the daily chart. Then if I want to know what's going to happen for that week, I do it on the 4-hour chart. So that's just the principle that I use. Now that's the first thing you need to know. The next thing you need to know is on the daily chart. Now I'm going to be selecting the high and close All right, listen carefully, guys. I'm going to be selecting the high and the high and the low of the first two candles in that month. All right, now this is it. Now this is the first candle. You can see this is the beginning of the month. This is the first candle of the month. This is the second candle of the month. So between these two candles, the highest price and the lowest price is what I'm going to be marking out. Now I'll just use my line between this candle and this candle. You can see that this is the highest point, and this other candle is also between these two candles is the lowest point. All right, now automatically I have set my range for the month. All right, because I'm actually doing this on the daily chart. Now what do I use this for? Very simple and easy. Now if the price falls between these ranges, you understand, just like these candles here that are in between, this second candle is in between. You can see part of this third candle is inside this range. Now it's considered as a consolidation. That is, the market, nothing is happening in the market. The market is flat. But the moment the price drops below this, it's considered that the market is dropping lower. Now if the price breaks above this upper band, this upper range here, I believe that the market is trending upwards. All right, remember three criteria. If the market breaks above this upper band, the price is trending upwards. If it breaks below this lower band, the price is trending downwards. If it's in between the lower and the upper band, that is here, it means the market is flat, is ranging. All right, now, and I'm going to do just nothing. Now if the market is trending downwards, automatically I'll be looking for only sell trades. I'm looking for only sell trades. All right, only sell trades. Even if I get a buy opportunity, I will not buy. Why? Because the market is below this lower band. Take note. Now if the price goes above, breaks above this upper band, it means the price is trending upwards, and I'm going to look for only buy trades. Even if I get a sell opportunity, I'm not going to trade it. Why? Because I'm only looking to trade along the trend. So I'm only going to be buying in this kind of scenario when the market is above this upper band. All right, so that's just a strategy, guys. That's just a strategy. Now this is for if I want to trade on if I want to do a monthly analysis. Now for me to now place my trades, what do? I will place my trades on a 1 hour chart. Okay, I place my trade on a 1 hour chart, which means I'm waiting for price to drop. Now in this scenario, you can see price has actually broken this lower band, so I'm waiting for price to actually retest before I place my sell order, and you see a drastic drop in that. Okay, now how do you set your weekly analysis? Quickly, it's just the same thing, but this time around you do it on your 4 hour chart. Now take for instance, let me delete this one. Now for a weekly analysis or trading plan, what I do is I just go to the the 4 hour time frame, and I draw the same thing just like I did on the daily time frame for the monthly analysis. So the first two candles, the highest and the lowest price, you mark them out. All right, those are these two. You can see, because this is the beginning of the week, it falls on this line, this 1 and 2. So this is the top, this is the bottom. You can see this level is higher than this level. So this is the highest level, this level is lower than this level, so this is the lowest level, and that's it. And where do I place my trades for the weekly trades? After I've marked out this, then I place my trades on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, okay, let me go to the 4-hour chart. Let me mark the beginning of the month, of the week. All right, I go to the 4-hour time, sorry, the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so now on the 15 minutes time frame, this is the beginning of the week right here. Now you can see price was consolidating in between these levels. I actually didn't do anything, but you can see price dropped below here, so I started waiting for a pullback before I placed my sell trade. So you can see the price came, tested here, tested here. I placed my sell trade just at this double top right here. You can see this M formation. This is where I placed my sell trade, and you can see the price dropped. All right, now the market came up and started consolidating around this region. Whenever price enters here, you will see up and down, up and down, up and down until it breaks. You can see it broke here again, retested here. I placed my buy trade and I made this profit to this level. Now you can see the price dropped again into this level, into here, dropped and dropped till it broke here again. So I'm basically just waiting for it to actually make a retest to this level, or I want to see a double top, just like something like this M formation. I want to see something like that, then I place another sell trade. All right, so that's how you can actually be profitable in the markets, both monthly and weekly. Now let me just show you how you can actually make the how you can actually make this an easy one for you. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to add your RSI indicator. All right, just add your RSI indicator. Where is your relative strength index? Where's my relative strength index? Sorry guys, relative strength index. All right, so I use the relative strength index period 13. All right, just use period 13 and click OK. All right, so this is how it's excuse me. Now this is how it's going to look like. All right, now in this particular scenario, excuse me, you can see that the price dropped right here. I see price dropped, came, the RSI actually pushed above this 50 mark. You can see it pushed above this 50 mark before it came back to drop lower. Now if I go to this particular level right here, let me check this particular level right here. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. You could also use the 5 minutes chart to make your entries. All right, now you can see on this 5 minutes chart, you can see that on this particular level, you can see that the price was oversold. All right, it was overbought, and the same thing here. That was why I actually placed my sell entry. You can see, and price just dropped further. All right, let's look at the other scenario when it gave us a buy signal, when it broke the upper band. This is the upper band. You can see price went up and tested this level, and you can see price almost touched here. It almost touched here. That was why I actually entered the trade. All right, it almost touched here. All right, and you can see, and it gave me a divergence pattern just right here. You can see this divergence. You can see your divergence just here. All right, so that's your divergence right there. You can see, so that is it, just right there, and you can see boom. So that's it. So that's that. So, and the moment it goes overboard on the RSI, I exit my trade, irrespective of if it tells me it's still going. I exit my trade. All right, so that's that on how you can actually make use of the weekly analysis. All right, now another good thing I want to actually show you is how you can actually make use of both. All right, now let me mark up my monthly target. All right, now if you go to your 15 minutes chart, okay, right here you see three lines. Now between here and here is the monthly is a monthly range, but between here and here is the weekly range. All right, so now in this particular scenario, I can even use this as a target when I'm trading for the week. Like for instance, the price broke here to the top and retested here. I could actually make this excuse me, I could have actually made this my target, because you can see the moment it touched here, price started dropping. And I also want you to know that these levels I showed you, I marked out for you, they are very strong levels of support and resistance. They are very for the week, for the weekly analysis, it is very strong for that week. And for the daily, for the monthly analysis, it is, those levels are very strong for the month. So you could always trade off whenever price touches those levels and they correspond with your RSI. All right, so basically that's how I actually place my trade, and that is how I've been able to stay profitable in the markets. So if you like this video, I'd like you to hit the thumbs up button, just like the video, and also share the video with your friends, and do not forget to also subscribe to this channel and also click the bell button. And a good bonus for you, all right, because you stay to the end, for the month I'm actually giving $50 to the most interactive person. I'm giving $50 to the most interactive person in the most interactive person in the channel. So everyone that is active, that is a subscriber, the person likes the video, my videos, the person comments regularly, I'm going to be giving the person $50 at the end of the month. So if this looks like something that you like to be part of, trust me, then try to engage in the group. All right, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.